In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Steam API key. Whether for security reasons or simply managing access, updating your Steam API key is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Steam website and log in using your web browser. Make sure you're signed into the correct Steam account. This is crucial as the API key is linked directly to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a menu option labeled Community at the top of the page. Go ahead and click on that. This will navigate you to the Community Hub, a centralized location for all things social within Steam. Next, you'll need to adjust the URL in your browser's address bar. Add /dev/API key at the end and hit enter. This will redirect you to the specific section of Steam where you can manage your API keys. Now, if you've previously generated an API key, you'll see it displayed on this page. Alongside it, there will be a button that says Revoke my Steam Web API key. Clicking this button will deactivate your current key, making it unusable from that moment on. This is an irreversible action, so ensure that you're ready to proceed before clicking. Once the old key is revoked, the page will automatically update to show a form for registering a new API key. You'll need to complete this form to generate a new key. Specifically, you'll need to enter a domain name, the website or service that will use this API key, and agree to the Steam Web API terms of use. It's important to provide accurate information to avoid any future access issues. With the form completed, simply click the Register button. This will generate a fresh 32-character API key unique to your account and setup. This new key will appear on the page once it's created. Finally, it's essential to copy and securely store your new API key. Remember, it's sensitive data that controls access to your Steam information and services. It's a good practice to keep it secure, perhaps in a password manager or another secure application. If others gain access to your API key, they could potentially misuse your account data, so treat it with the same care as your password. And there you have it, the process of changing your Steam API key in a few simple steps. By following these instructions, you ensure your API connections remain secure and manageable. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance. See you next time.